Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure it's unlocked and charged at least 10%. Once done, identify whether you use physical volume buttons or on-screen controls because the steps differ. Next, close any media or call apps so they don't override settings, and verify Do Not Disturb is off. Otherwise, sound changes won't apply. Now press the volume up button once to reveal the current control, or swipe down from the top to open the quick settings on iOS or Android, and follow the visible sound slider. You should now modify system and app-specific levels so volume increases uniformly. Go to Settings, then Sound, and raise ringtone, media, and alarm sliders. Make sure media is separate and cranked if you play music. Once done, open any app you use for audio and raise its internal volume or enable a louder equalizer preset. Some apps have independent mixers. For call audio, check accessibility or call settings to ensure audio routing isn't set to Bluetooth or muted. This prevents surprises during a call. Finish by testing across sources. Play music, play video, and make a test call so you verify consistent loudness. Once satisfied, lock settings, and if levels didn't apply immediately, restart the phone and double-check Bluetooth is off so audio isn't routed away. If your device still sounds quiet, examine the speaker grill for debris or water and gently clean it. If that fails, consider a software update or professional repair. Remember, one simple restart often resolves stubborn audio routing or driver issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.